G'day, I'm Steve from Bumpstop Car Mods and Mentoring. On this video, I show you how to use a headlight restoration kit to take your headlights that look like this to this. G'day everyone, here today with my Toyota Avalon and just about to do a headlight restoration. I'm going to show you how to use a headlight restoration kit. It's been well overdue on this car. It's got 200,000 kilometers on it. What's that, 150,000 miles? And I've tried a couple of things, toothpaste, all that. Just frustrated that the results don't work or they don't stick around. So I'm going to give it a go with a headlight restoration kit, show you how to use it, and let's have a look at the results. So according to the kit, first step is to wash the headlights, remove all the dirt, and use masking tape to protect the surrounding paint surfaces. So I've already, you can see the top of the blue there, I've already masked it up, and I'll just give it a quick wipe over with a microfiber cloth and some degreaser. I'll spare you the misery, you know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, there's other videos out there that you can watch. Second step is to apply lens clarifying compound with a cotton cloth. Rub over the entire lens using firm pressure. Buff with a clean terry cloth. Restore only one lens at a time. If lens turns clear, proceed to step 3 below. If lens is not clear after using the lens clarifying compound, proceed to step 2A. I'm using an old towel and just applying a dab at a time. So the next step is to use the green polishing pad, and then they're numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. Easy for dummies like me. So the next step is to apply the spray lubricant and start sanding. I'll apply a bit to the pad as well. Next step is to use pad number 2 and to go in the opposite direction. I went lengthwise and now I've got to go up and down. Next step, use the teal side. And finally, we use the purple side. And finally, give it a buff off with a terry toweling cloth. Just going through it again because I just want to give it, make sure it's got a lot of those scratches out. There's a lot of scratches in it still. That's my fault, not the product's fault. I've given it some harsh treatment in the past. So I'm just starting with the number 1 pad again. So the next step is to use this to buff it to clear, and I actually messed that last bit up, so my bad. But just go straight to this. Don't buff it off with the cloth. Oh, it smells nice. Woo-hoo. Wow. It doesn't look like it's going hazy, so I'm going to give it a buff now, and then I'll head over to the other one. I won't record the other one because the other one's a bit cleaner than this. So they're much better. I'm going to do the other side now, and then when I've done them both, I'll come back and I'll put the lens sealing wipe on. Well, I'm back, and here we are. We're doing the last stage. The last stage is to put the lens sealing wipe. I've done the other side now, and it looks just as good. I reckon this one's come out pretty well considering how crappy it was. So the last point is important. Restore both lenses before opening the lens base coat wipe. Open pouch containing lens base coat wipe using plastic glove included in the kit. Quickly coat both lenses with the wipe. Once dry, immediately follow with the lens. Oh, there you go. So I stuffed up there. I didn't use the clarifying lotion. I've already put the wipe on, so I'm going to use the wipe again, and then I'm going to use the sealing wipe. Okay. So apparently you do this. Get my stuff messed up. That's the, and I'll go and do the other side now. So I've just put the base coat wipe on both sides, and then using the plastic glove, immediate follow the lens sealing wipe, which helps prevent future yellowing. Cures within 24 hours. Can be driven immediately. So there you have it. That's the kit. That's the headlight restoration kit from Turtle. We don't get sponsored by Turtle, by the way. There's no money changing hands here except my money to the local car parts. So yeah, the question is, would I use a headlight restoration kit again? Yeah, absolutely. I wouldn't bother with all those backyard things. We pay about $40 for these kits over here. Apparently they're about $8 in the States, so if you're over there, you're getting a bargain. And it's worth the $40. The issues that I had along the way were there was a lot of scratching in there already, and that was my bad. That's the way I'd treated them in the past. But you don't need to. If you get these straight away and get one of these on there, it'll make a big difference to your headlights. Thank you.